Okay, page 27 of our notes. We're going to change slopes to fractions. Top of the fraction is the y for movements. Bottom of the fraction equals the movements for x. So looking at this first one here, we have circle the slope in the equation and rewrite it as a fraction. So we have y equals 3x plus 5. Our slope is the 3 in front. To rewrite it as a fraction, we put it over 1. And that is for every time you have a number that is not written as a fraction. To change it to a fraction, you put it over 1. So in y equals negative 7x plus 10. Negative 7 is our slope, and we write it over 1. Please remember this is a video, so you can pause and rewind. I want you guys to try the next two on your own. So pause the video, see if you get the same thing. So slope is 8, we get 8 over 1. Slope is negative 5, we get negative 5 over 1. Okay, bottom of our page, we have y movements. Please remember this is the top of your fraction. X movements, remember these are the bottom of your fraction. Okay, so our y movements can only be up or down. And the reason why is if you think about a y-axis, that is going up or down. Makes sense, right? If it's up, you have a positive number at the top of your fraction. If it's negative, you have to go down for the top of your fraction, okay? So if it's a negative up top, you go down. If it's a positive up top, you go up. The next one is for x's. So x's, your options to move are to go right or left, okay? And if you think about an x-axis, it goes right and left. If it goes right, that means you have a positive number in the bottom of your fraction. If you go left, it means you have a negative number in the bottom of your fraction. So we're going to use this information here to do these problems here. So y equals 2/3 x plus 5. 2/3 is my slope. They're both positive. So up top I'll go up. Bottom I'm going to say to go right. Then we have negative 5/9 as our slope. So negative 5 over 9. Negative up top tells me to go down. Positive on the bottom tells me to go to the right. Then we have 8 over negative 3. 8 is telling me how to go up because it's positive. Negative 3 is telling me to go to the left because it's negative. That is not how you spell left. The next one here, we have negative 4, negative 11. Negative 4, negative 11, both are negative. So up top, that tells me to go down 4. Bottom tells me to go left 11. Number 5, we have... the next one we have number 5. We rewrite that as a fraction by putting it over 1. Both are positive, so that tells me to go up and then to the right. Last one here we have is negative 2x minus 2. Negative 2 is my slope. Rewrite it as a fraction for negative 2 over 1. Negative 2 tells me to go down. Positive 1 on the bottom tells me to go right. All right, you have more stuff after this, but these are the notes for the day.